You probably already know why you're watching this video. I'm guessing that you want to learn more about accounting, and I hope I'm right. In this short video, we will talk about accounting, the accounting process, and the role of accountants in business. But before we answer all of those questions, I would like to welcome you all to Accounting Zero to Hero. We are here to help you understand the fundamental accounting concepts through simplified technical discussions and practical applications of the accounting standards. All of this to help you go from zero to hero. Now that part is settled, let's go back to the video. Well, simply speaking, accounting is considered as the language of business. It may not be your typical language, but this is a very fair statement. Because if you understand accounting, it's safe to say that you can understand how businesses communicate. Later in the process, you will learn about the entity concept in accounting, which means that businesses have their own separate personalities from any of its owners. And as a separate entity, it has to be able to speak for itself. To do that, it needs to speak a language that can be generally understood by external parties. The accounting process helps to convey that language through the financial statements and other types of financial reports. Accordingly, we have the accountants as one of the people who knows how to interpret and prepare the financial information that I just mentioned. Accountants assist businesses in recording, presenting, and analyzing financial data so that the business can communicate these data to the users. This part right here is what we call as the accounting process. For example, if a customer buys the company's product in cash, an accountant will be able to translate this transaction using the accounting process so that it can be recorded in the accounting books. All the sales within the year are then aggregated and presented in the financial statements, and they are analyzed periodically so that it can be presented to management. Being the chief decision makers of the business, the management then makes decisions using the financial information that is provided to them by the accountants. With the language of the financial reports being primarily in numbers, a common early misconception is that accountants should be exceptional in math. However, based on my experience as an accountant and as an auditor, I can safely say that rather than doing complicated equations, typical accountants delve more into the analysis of financial data using accounting and financial concepts. And this is where Accounting Zero to Hero comes in. We are dedicated to helping you excel in your accounting journey. And we are equally excited to share all of our knowledge in future videos. And if you have any specific ideas in mind, don't forget to comment them below so we can include them in future lessons. In the next few weeks, we will start discussing the accounting fundamentals to get ourselves started. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep yourself updated on the channel. See you!